make me happy. You sit right beside me. Cause I really love you. You should know before I'm gone. I'm gonna get some ice cream, bro. I'm back, bro. I will never, 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 never. up on the shoulder. We start laughing at these hating niggas. Bring that 40 out. We never let the angels do. My phone might have died. I said my phone might have died. Get that bad boy trying to charge it. You know what I'm saying? Let me turn this light on as soon as I can find it. The switch to that motherfucker, bro. That cord always falling, bro. Wait. Oh, here we go. Damn, my ring light fell totally, bro. That's why. Why do I tighten this shit up, bro? This shit's too loose. Oh, Allen key. That's not for that. Allen key for something else. Let's just say it like that, bro. Did that work? Nah, that don't work at all. I'll move my face cam over here. This work. I think this might work, man. Get my headphones. I need to get up and get a bottle of water, actually. What's good, Chris? What's up, gang? Do I really want to get up and get a bottle of water, though? I don't really think so. See how much he was in profit, bro. Oh, 20 pips. What I had, 30 pips stop loss? 22 pips, 30 pips stop loss, yeah. So not quite a 1-to-1 yet. Where's my 1-to-1? Here. Let's start to take partials. Let's look at EU. Notice hourly close looking real trash. Let me eat real quick, bro. Alright, dumbass microwave, I hear you, ho. Fuck up. I'm gonna put GA back on the stream, bro. Back on the screen. Niggas ain't. Hey, Chris, you's a real nigga, bro. No matter how inconsistent I've been with live streaming recently, because I remember back in the day, I used to live stream every motherfucking day. But no matter how inconsistent I've been live streaming recently, bro, you still been in this motherfucker. You a real nigga, bro. I just want you to know that. Hey, chat. I'm back, man. I'm back. I'm back, bro. You can never get too much hot sauce, my nigga. Okay. Oh, time to take some parsley out. Time to get them parsley, man. I'll take off 50% right here, bro. Cool little 50%. Let's me watch my YouTube video though. Sorry, I already closed on EU as well. The already closed on EU is trash. I needed to close above here. It looked like we was about to close above, but then give me this rejection now. But on a lower time frame, you have a left shoulder, head, right shoulder for this break and retest on like a 15-minute or so. I want to take buys above this area too on GU, but I should have kept this buy stop, bro. If I would have kept this buy stop right here that I had set above this candle high, I'd have cooked with this joint. I had got off the charts. Literally, I got off the charts at like 10:30, so I would have got triggered. Not 10:30. I got off the charts at like 9:30. I would have got triggered 30 minutes later. Like right after I got off the chart, I literally would have got triggered, bro. It actually pisses me off. Damn, that's salty. I still trade gold, bro. Just that with gold, I had a buy idea and go for gold today, or yesterday in this area. Price came down here and looking like it's rejecting, but I just don't want to buy after we within these lower lows and lower highs. So for me to buy gold, I'm waiting to break out of this range. Then I'm gonna take gold longs. What's good, Hosen? I'm gonna call you Hassan Hosen, something like that. If I fucked your name up, bro, my bad, bro. Cesar, there we go, Cesar. What's good, gang? Y'all took any trades yet? Y'all took any trades yet during this London, during pre-London? Just got on the charts. Nice. Let me know what you think about gold. What you looking at? Let it been trash for a minute now. Yeah, for it has been. I took I didn't trade yesterday to New York. I took EU buys during New York yesterday. That was these buys right here. Got a little 1 to 2. Got a little 1 to 2 on EU yesterday during New York. 8 a.m. is when I got this trade. This was yesterday's position. How deep could this pullback be? Let's see. Let's see. Worst case scenario. Not worst case scenario. Get a pullback into here for some potential scaling. This will stop me out of this position though. Alright, we're gonna go break even here. If we get broke even, we're just gonna get a re-entry up here. So either we gonna get broken even here and get a scale on here, or my runner runs, or buys on EU as we break back above this range. That's what I'm thinking. Actually, this is my same breakdown from yesterday, so we're gonna actually clear EU and redo it, bro. That's what I want to do. I'm gonna clear it and redo it. So daily time frame overall aggressively bullish. As you can see, we have a clear bullish direction. On daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, again, same clear bullish direction of bias. We have this higher high, this higher low, and new higher high. Let's measure this pullback. Have a higher high, a higher low, and price push back above this area. So I think we're bullish as long as we stay above here. On a 4-hour time frame, so daily bullish, 4 hours bullish as well above this area. 1 hour, we had equal highs, higher low, market structure shift, lower low, lower high, lower low, new market structure shift, higher high, higher low, higher high. So outside of this fib level that we already have respected, we have on the 4-hour time frame, we have this 1 hour fib level right over here for this bullish fib, right? So price is inside the bullish fib. Inside the bullish fib, we have a level of support here and a level of resistance here that price is currently ranging in. So in order for me to buy alongside the daily and the 4-hour being both bullish, I need this 1 hour time frame to break above this range to trade higher. And then we could look to target these highs once again. So yes, same idea. As far as selling, I don't want to sell below here because it's counter trend to over high time frames. As far as sell, I don't want to sell until at least a 4-hour goes bearish. Doesn't happen below here. Or for counter trend sales where the 1 hour goes bearish, and that doesn't happen until we take out this higher low. But I wouldn't want to sell right here because I would be selling right into this level of support, which doesn't make any sense. So either buy above here, sell below here. That's it. Look at that gold. If I got some pairs in the chat y'all want me to do a breakdown on, comment it, right? Daily overall bullish directional bias. We have clear higher highs and higher lows here on a daily time frame on gold. So we're bullish. 4-hour as well. Same. We have bullish, clear bullish. So we should look for buys. Looking on the 1 hour time frame, we are bearish though. So we're bullish on a daily and 4-hour, bearish on the 1 hour. I know we're bearish on 1 hour because we have a higher high, higher low, and a higher high. This pushed down, took out this higher low where we went bearish. Now we have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, equal highs, lower low. So now we have a range right at this lower high. So we're bearish as long as we stay below this level. The 1 hour time frame, that level of resistance, and this level of support. Again, I don't want to sell. I'll be buying overall, but alongside the 4-hour and the daily, both time frames being bullish. In order for me to buy, I need this 1 hour transition to bullish structure as well, and that doesn't happen until price re-breaks this lower high structure to continue higher. Because currently the 1 hour is bearish below this level. As far as sales, counter trend sales could play out down here, which is pretty risky. Counter trend sales could work out down here as well. Pretty risky, but I want to buy overall and look to target this high. That's gold. Gold looks good for buys above this area. You look good for buys above this area, which should look relatively similar. Let's go GBP USD. GBP USD. Let's see, what do we have? Daily time frame, overall clear bullish directional buys with clear higher highs and higher lows. Not too tricky there. For all time frame, same as well. Clear bullish directional bias with higher highs and higher lows there. Looking on the 4 hour, we have this higher high up here, and then this potential higher low where we have equal highs at this level of resistance. So daily 4 hours bullish as well, as long as we stay above this higher low. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we have higher high, higher low, higher high. A shift bearish, a lower low, lower high, equal low. Shift back bullish, higher high, higher low, higher high. This is the start of the bullish push on this 1 hour time frame. Just measure this pullback, fib level rejection. Inside this fib level rejection, we have a level of support and a level of resistance. All right here. Again, I'm going to buy alongside the daily and the 4 hour overall being bullish. So in order for me to buy, I need a break above this level of resistance. And I can look to target these highs here. These highs here. Did you just start the live? I don't know. Probably like an hour ago. Probably like an hour ago, maybe. Let's read the GBP daily time frame. Overall bearish directional bias. Have a higher high, higher low, equal highs. This push down. Have this shift in structure, giving us this left shoulder, head, right shoulder break retest formation on a daily time frame. Looking at a daily break and retest could give me a big runner. But 4 hour time frame, again, same as the daily, bearish directional bias. We have a higher high, higher low, higher high. A shift in structure here where we went bearish. Now we have this lower low, lower high, lower low. Looking at this push right here, we are in this 4-hour fib level rejection that also lines up with a major daily level of support and resistance. So this will be the 4-hour version. The daily version will be this. So we had a daily major level, key level. Where you from, dog? I'm from Philadelphia, bro. Looking on the 1-hour time frame, we overall bullish on 1 hour. That's why I don't want to sell yet. I don't want to sell yet because we're bullish. We are below our 50 EMA, but technically, well, we are bearish with bullish internal structure. We are bearish because we had this aggressive breakout with no real lower high that we broke a low, but this is bullish internal structure. So I'm thinking, I actually could sell as price closed below this level of support with this 1 hour candle here, but I don't want to just sell just yet. I want to see it retest first and then sell. So I'll take this sell, and then we could look. I could look to target this 4-hour low here, this hourly low here, or alongside the daily time frame being overall daily, making a new low below this low, and target this low here or this low here. This is a very promising position right here. This position here is very promising. Let's look at a 5-minute. Okay, 5-minute, not too fucking pretty, just 5-minute ranging. Look at the 1 minute. Again, 1 minute just ranging. So for me to take the sell, I need to pull back into this area first. I like this overall GBP CHF sell though. I'm gonna replace. I'm gonna replace GU with GBP CHF. One of my favorites. I forgot I was even in this trade. Did I get broke even yet? No break even yet. Okay, cool. The problem with taking this sell right here on GBP CHF is if this is a bearish fake out, like faking sellers and like me getting me in early, and it just reacts off of a 1 hour bullish fib and this bullish overall internal structure, right? For this higher high, higher low, then do higher high, then I'm completely getting cooked. So I gotta avoid this potential loss because this sell here is risky, just because the 1 hour is showing bullish internal structure. But like, it's so promising for so much downside potential to fill in this range to this previous low or make a new daily low down here. So it's so promising, but it's risky because it's within this bullish structure. To make it less risky, I will need to take out this 1 hour internal structure higher low first. So below here will make it less risky. But it makes it less risky, but kills the risk reward potential. Not completely wrong, but like I wouldn't take partials here. I would just wait to take my partials here instead. So we either I'm probably not gonna take this. I'm gonna leave this up here just like for sample sizing purposes, just to see how it plays out if we do get a retest in this area. But ideally, I would want to sell below this area because this makes it less risky, where we have a 1 hour shift in bearish structure and internal structure. Santi, where you from, gang? How you find my YouTube, bro? You from the Discord server? So trading AUD USD is kind of just shaky. I don't want to trade this at all, even though we're overall bullish. But look at this overall price action. Right, look at all of this price action right here. This is just disgusting. Right, it's clearly bullish because we're making new highs, but it's just slow, really slow. So ideally, I don't want to trade that at all. So we're gonna move this to the bottom of the watch list. I don't even want to do a breakdown on it. This just looks disgusting. Um, I'm from North Carolina, and I woke up because there is a bad storm, so I'm staying up for a minute in London. And I just opened up YouTube and saw you was going live, so I hopped in. Oh shit, that's what's up. So I was just in the recommended or some shit, bro. That's what's up. I fuck with it. What you trade though? Alright, bro. Tell me about Nifty 50. What do you think? What the fuck is Nifty 50, bro? You mean like the restaurant, my nigga? Alright, let's get into you, Jay. Look at that daily time frame. Overall consolidating. We're consolidating, but I want to say we're. I want to say we're bullish. Let's say we're bullish. We took out this high or low, maybe this lower high right here. We have these higher highs and higher lows. This price is just consolidating, right? But I want to say we're overall bullish. Let's look at our 50 EMA. So we under 50 EMA. I don't want to say we don't really go bearish until we get a closure below these bodies here. We just wicked it. I already run a closure though. But let's mark up the high and the low of this daily range. Cause this is overall daily range. So let's go on the 4-hour time frame. Looking on the 4-hour, we are bearish. Let's say we're bearish on the 4-hour. We went bullish here. We had these equal lows, lower high, shift to make a higher high, higher low, new higher high. Then once we broke below this higher low, we went back into bearish structure. We have a lower low, into lower high. So we are bearish on the 4-hour as long as we stay below these wicks here. So above here is where I would like to take some clean buys. As far as sells, let's go on a 1-hour. Wait, first of all, sell. I wouldn't want to sell. Okay, let's go to 1 hour for sales actually. Okay, so 1 hour is bearish. We had a higher high, higher low, higher high. This structure going bearish below this low. This is some kind of 1 hour fib level rejecting in this area. But I don't want to sell until we close back below this previous low for break and retest here. Then we could trade inside this overall daily range. Then we could look to target this low right here or this low here. Yeah, so I will sell below here and I'll buy above this level up here. Search Nifty 50 in trading view. It's an index with very high volumes traded every day. Nifty 50, I got you. Give me a second. Futures. Oh my god, look at all these market gaps. This fucking shit is disgusting. I hate market open gaps. Alright, fuck it. Daily time frame, we are bearish. We're bearish on the daily time frame because we have a higher high, higher low, higher high. Just pushed down at this market gap down. And price open right here, broke below this higher low. So our daily time frame is bearish. This is our shifting structure here. This is the start of the push. This is the end of the push on that bearish structure, creating this range. Looking on the 4-hour time frame, we are overall consolidating. But we are bearish still alongside the daily. And then prices inside this bearish fib level of this 0.60, 0.618 on this fib retracement. So 4 hours bearish, 1 hour bearish, 4 hours bearish, daily bearish. Look at the 1 hour time frame. Right? There's not too many levels here I would trade off of. I wouldn't trade this at all. Looks terrible. Looks terrible. I personally wouldn't trade it at all. But it could be some potential sells here, or as price come back up, rebreaks this high, taps into this level, or sells down here. And as far as buys, I wouldn't buy until we break out of this overall range. I've been trading for about 4 years. At the end of this year, it'll be 5 years. So I will look for sells in this area as price come back up to retap into this level. Or I would sell, or I would buy in this area, or sell in this area. But overall, I wouldn't want to trade in this range overall. But if I had to take a trade in this range, I would take one of these positions. But to be honest, I wouldn't trade inside this range at all. This range is disgusting. Thanks, man. That was really helpful. True, that market gaps are annoying. Yeah, the market gaps are disgusting. But it's overall very consolidating. It's playing around in a higher time frame range with no clean structure to trade off of. And any markets that's like indecisive with direction, or any markets that doesn't have clean structure, I just avoid in its entirety. Like for example, because I trade Forex, looking at AUD/USD, there's not a lot of gaps, but looking at this time frame here, there's no like clean levels to trade off of. So based off of pure price action, so this is a pair that I will stay away from. That's why I put it all the way at the bottom. So Nifty 50, that will be a pair that I'll stay away from, and I'll just trade something that looks a little bit more cleaner in the futures space. Looking at Euro JPY, we're overall aggressively bullish with no real deep pullbacks on the daily time frame. Aggressively bullish. Looking on the 4 hour time frame, we're aggressively bullish as well. We have a higher high, a higher low, and a higher high. So as far as sales concerned, I wouldn't take a sell into this 4 hour shift bearish. That doesn't happen until we break below this higher low. Looking on the 1 hour time frame, we're bullish as well. Only bad part about the 1 hour time frame is we're about to go bearish as price closes below this higher low here, and we are in between this high and this low. So as far as buys on EJ, I wouldn't buy until we break out of this range to the upside for a break and retest above. And if this break and retest fails, then I will wait till price gives this 4 hour retracement to buy at a lower value price, which would be off of this 4 hour fib level. Back over here, we label this bullish fib, extend it to the right, delete the fib level. We also have this level of support right over here. So let's label this support and resistance. So I'll either buy here or buy as price pulls back into this area. Other than that, sells, I wouldn't sell until price break below this low down here. And then as far as targets, buying above here, we have very clean targets on the daily time frame to trade all the way back into this high up here, or even this high here, or even this high here. I like all of those targets. NZD, GBP, NZD, any thoughts on that? I got you in a second. Hold on real quick. All right, daily time frame. Start off with daily time frame. Let's see how daily is bullish. Let's look at our 50 EMA. I want to see how daily is bullish, even though we're under 50 EMA. I want to see how daily is bullish. Reason why is because price took out this higher low right over here. We went bearish. We had a lower low, a lower high, an equal low. Then price rebroke this high over here, going into bullish structure. Now I'm seeing a higher high, potential higher low for a new higher high. So daily is bullish, but that doesn't mean we can't take sales. Looking on a 4-hour time frame, we're definitely bearish on a 4-hour time frame. We have overall rank consolidation here. Price eventually took out all of these lows right over here, making this now bearish. Now we have lower low, lower high, lower low. Price eventually took out these highs here where we went bullish. Looking at this bullish structure, we have higher high, higher low, higher high. And then price eventually took out this low where we went back into bearish structure. So daily is bullish, 4 hours bearish. So let's look at the 1-hour time frame. Look at 1-hour time frame, we're bearish as well. So ideally I would want to sell, look for sales more than buys. Just because I have 2 time frames telling me to sell, when I only have the daily time frame telling me to buy, makes more sense to just sell. Looking on the 1-hour time frame, we're overall. Wait, let's mark off the top of the range, the bottom of the range. This is the range we're in between. We just had a break below this level of support. This is like a mid-level. Okay, now I go to the 1-hour time frame. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, we were overall bearish. We had a consolidation here. We had equal highs, higher lows. These higher lows all got taken out as price pushed down below this level. Now we have a lower low, a lower high, and a lower low. So this was the trade idea here for trading this break and retest off of this level, right? We had a break, a retest. This would have been some good sells. If you wasn't able to get in on the sells in this area, then I would say wait for a break and retest of this area. So looking at this area, we already got the breakout. Now we're just waiting for a retest. So the breakout will be this hourly candle closure bearish below. So as far as selling, I wouldn't sell until we retest this area, then continue down. Then looking for targets, you can look to target these lows here or this low down here. And inside this retest, I would need the retest to have 5-minute structure. So because I use 5-minute for entries. So as price pull back into this area, I need the 5-minute time frame to look like this. We have clear structure levels. Then I would take a sell as a 5-minute takes out a previous higher low. And then I will look to target these lows like so. But if the retest is really aggressive with no structure on the 5-minute time frame, it's probably going to be a fake out. So I wouldn't take it. So in order for me to take a sell off of this break and retest, I would need this 5-minute time frame to show me higher highs and higher lows forming. Let's set it up for an entry. Before price gives you an entry, it has to set up for entry. That's what I think. But overall, so at this area with the break and retest, if price doesn't give this break and retest, next sell area will be right here. As far as buys, I wouldn't want to buy until price breaks above this area. All right, so it look like price giving us a pullback on GBP CHF, so that's nice. I just need the pullback to show some lower, some higher highs and higher lows like this. Damn, appreciate that, bro. Yeah, no problem, bro. Appreciate you stopping by the stream, my boy. Not gonna lie. Good thing I didn't FOMO into these bars up here on EU. If I'd FOMO into these bars, I would have got stopped out here. But it's setting up even better. Setting up even better because now we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, a shifting back bear, so we can go bullish again. That'll be nice. And give me an hourly closure above this area. I forgot to watch this fucking video, bro. I missed a couple videos. Let's rewatch. Mm. Do you trade natural gas, bro? Nah, I've mainly trade forex pairs. I mainly trade forex pairs, and from time to time I'll trade Nas 100, and I'll trade gold as well. What's good, Siraj? How you been, gang? So with you, bro? Let's change my chart colors, real. I'm tired of these chart colors. Let's go. Let's go black background, bro. Black. Okay, not that black. Okay, like that. Like that. Let's go candles. Let's go white. White for my bullish candles. Let's go. I'll do white and red. I'm gonna do white and black. Fuck it. White and black. But we're gonna change the background from black to gray. Let's go gray. There we go. Let's go white borders for all candles. Okay. Let's do a darker gray maybe. How do I feel about this? Okay, let's make my wicks white. Wicks white. Alright, how do I feel about this? Alright, I like this low key. Settings, watermark. I like this low key. check USDJPY. I'm out, bro. Good luck with your trades. Alright, you too, bro. Thanks for stopping by the stream. You check USDJPY. USDJPY. I like USDJPY sells below this area here, 144.400. Other than that, where market is currently at, I don't want to take in trades here because it is consolidating. Where gold at, bro? Is gold moving yet, bro? Nope. Shit. Who that, Kitty? What that nigga doing in the call, bruh? What he doing in the call, bruh? Man, that shit look like some trash, boy. What you got going on in that road? What you got going on in that gold, man? How? Mm-hmm. Man, get your ass on, bitch. That is you. Yeah. Hey, she funny as fuck, man. She funny as hell. Man, I ain't trying to hear that shit. Bitch, you shouldn't even went over there. Bitch, you should have act like you didn't even see that nigga for real. Yeah, the bitch that went out her way. Hell yeah, she got me fucked up. Hell yeah, you did. I did like a goofy, man. Yeah, that bitch got the game fucked up, bro. I'd have said that's my ex, bro. It wasn't even like that. We didn't even talk for it. Let's see if we can get this quick little scout, man. Whatever. Yeah. Man. Nigga, I'm finna go for one right after I get off this bitch before New York, bro. Don't even trip. Nigga tell me I went for a job. I remember one time, bro, it was probably like last year, April, bro. I was $12 away from passing the challenge. I blew that shit. $12 fucking, bro. 12. That's not even one pit, bro. It was a 25K account, bro. $12 fucking, bro. You know what I did, bro? When I took my last trade on that bitch, nigga, I said, shit down there. I said, bro, I only need $12. I'm going to throw like 3 lots. Bro. I said, let me just throw 3 lots real quick, bro. One pit it up, I'm closing that bitch. Tell me why I couldn't get one fucking pit, bro. That shit went straight to stop loss. I said, oh, hell nah. Oh, hell no. Nigga needed one pit, bro. I couldn't get one pit. I said, I'm gonna take this cool little breakout, bro. I need to do that shit. Just give me one pit, bro. I'm good. That shit straight to stop loss, bro. Yeah, you got this shit, bro. Payout easy. Bro, just go ahead, take them 1-to-1s, bro. You good, bro. I'm trying to tell niggas, bro. Niggas be underestimating them 1-to-1s, bro. Nigga can't close the trade for shit, huh? Nigga just be floating in profit like, I'm gonna let that bitch run, bro. Where I might go, bro. Look at Nvidia 15 minute about to explain. Today I don't trade Nvidia, bro. I'm gonna lay my ass down, bro. Let me play one more game of chess, bro. Yeah. Okay, okay. Okay. Yeah, 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 bitch. Just admit you should have lied. fuck? Oh, stupid. Bitch ain't got no brain in her. Catch the fuck up, huh? You the one with the money on? You won't. No boss. You don't want to be like them, bro. Them motherfuckers over there, they nasty. Them motherfuckers nasty over there. Them niggas over there nasty, bro. No, for real. Bro, hey, bro, come on. Man, he don't give a fuck, chat. I forgot I had the audio in the stream included anyway, bro. They probably think I'm talking to myself over here. I forgot. They probably, yo, this nigga stupid. He over there laughing and joking with himself. Little dumb ass nigga. Little dumb ass nigga. I'm trying to lay down, bro. I'm tired of sitting in this chair, though. Are you interested? If you tired, do you not trade? Oh, no, I am in this trade, BTA. Uh, yeah. Footprint chart. No, I don't use a footprint chart. I know what the footprint chart is, though. I don't use the footprint chart, but yeah, I'm in this trade.